In our company, the energy efficiency is very important, and in future, this pump will help us. Turku is a middle-sized city in Finland, and there is 200,000 residents. We are now in Raisio pumping station, and the wastewater treatment plant is 7 kilometres from here. This pumping station serves 5 municipalities, which are around Turku city.
This new open S-tube model 63 kilowatts has been working here now more than 2 years.
Before this testing pump, we have problems with the clogging of the pumps. About 2 times a month when that pump had clogged. We know that this place for the pump was very challenging, and that's why we try to test Grundfos test pump from here.
We chose Raisio pumping station for this field test because of there has been some clogging issues with other elder pumps, and it's good to test here with difficult conditions.
Because of the clogging of the pumps, we have to open the pump and remove the clogging. So it takes time about 2 hours.
For us and the customer, it's really important to create, and Grundfos can create much more energy sufficient pumps, which also gives benefits with energy savings and money savings.
Power of the old pump was 75 kilowatts, and now this test pump is 63 kilowatts, and I'm very happy about it. The installation of the testing pump was easy because Grundfos did it. Now the pump is running about 2.5 years without problems. In these 2.5 years, we don't have any clogging.